Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I've been really happy with this super convenient and versatile outlet from Legrand. So this is a duplex wall outlet, but it also has a USB-A and a USB-C port right built into it. So it makes it super convenient, especially in a high traffic location like our kitchen here. It's nice to have the versatility of different types of power because of course, we're always charging our phones in the kitchen when we're doing things, and so it just works out really well. This is a decorator style outlet, so it is flat and very sleek and modern looking. It is a screwless wall plate too, so overall it just has a very nice, clean and modern look to it. The plug is very sturdy and it's durable. It was easy to install. My husband was able to get it wired up in no time. He has some electrical experience and he felt that it was very easy to install and also very well made. It's great to have all of these options right at your fingertips in a single plug. So if you're making some upgrades to your outlets in your home, I would definitely suggest this one. It works really well and it's so nice to have the variety of different options. And that's my point of view.